Hey, John Cristana here, Internet Millionaire, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with a very new feature from Amazon. It's called Merch by Amazon. They just released it, and this is a very interesting thing. And I'm going to explain to you this acronym called POD that you will need to know if you want to get into this really unique new way that anybody can make money with Amazon. Now, the great thing about Merch by Amazon, which is printing on shirts, like this shirt right here, Above and Beyond. And by the way, if anybody's a fan of Above and Beyond, let me know in the comments below. But everybody buys clothing, okay? We all need clothing, except, you know, maybe there's some weird tribes and some like islands that everybody's naked. Whatever, okay? I don't think those people are watching this channel. But the point being, anybody can start a clothing company. Anybody. Because you don't need any inventory anymore. You don't need to have, you know, a factory. You don't need to have sewers. You don't need to have any of that. You can have Amazon handle it all. And Amazon is the biggest company in e-commerce right now, and you can sell clothing on there very simply. And I'm going to explain what this acronym means in this video. I'll also be explaining what the pros and cons of Merch by Amazon are as compared to the other platforms. So I'm going to go over some of this on my computer right here and walk you through step by step how you can start earning real money, starting your own internet business, working from home, living the dream on a yacht. Well, maybe not enough to make yacht money yet, but I'll be going over what you need to get started in this business model. Let's get it. Oh, I'm getting it. Okay, well, we're gonna go over Merch by Amazon, how you make money with it, what it is. Folks, anytime Amazon releases a new feature or a new way to make money with them, you should be on top of this like a rabbit on another rabbit. You should be on top of it because Amazon's making people all over the world millionaires. Most of the products sold on Amazon, most of the $1 trillion that they sell annually is sold by other people, okay? By other people. That means other people are making most of that money. Amazon's just processing the transaction. They just take a cut, whereas most of the people are making a lot of money. So you can be one of those people. And when Amazon releases a new way, you want to be the first person on it. The first person on it. And if you know this is the #1 money-making channel on YouTube, type in #1 money channel on YouTube right in the comments below and give this video a big fat like because we're going to go over some fire right here. Now, the first interesting thing to understand is what POD means. It means print on demand. And this is a new breed of companies. There's a number of these companies out there. There's Teespring, there is Shine On, there is Gear Bubble. There are a number of these print-on-demand companies. I actually shout out to my friend Eric who runs Shine On. Shine On's a really popular marketplace for doing print-on-demand jewelry that you can create customized jewelry to make money from. I won't talk too much about that, but I just want to give a shout out to my friend Eric. I'll put a link in the description for those of you that are interested in print-on-demand jewelry. But for this video, we're going to be talking about print-on-demand clothing. Now, clothing is, as I said, one of the biggest markets. You know, this is a branded shirt. This is print-on-demand sunglasses I got for my company, Nutrist, which I lost a lot of money with. We won't talk about that. And then where did my hat go? Well, I have a hat. That was probably print-on-demand as well. And the point being is that people are always buying clothes. And the great thing about clothing is that if you can just think of an innovative design or a meme or something people would want to have on a shirt, you can sell a lot of them. And the chances are if a couple people like that shirt, that a couple million will, because there's 7 billion people in the world and all of them wear, or I think all of them wear clothes except for that one weird nudist colony in Papua New Guinea. But let's get into it on my computer and let me show you around the site real quick. So here's Merch by Amazon, and how you would find Merch by Amazon is you can simply go to Google and type in merch, or you can scroll down to the very bottom here. If we scroll in here, right at the very bottom of the site, it says make money with us. And there are a lot of ways, you just click see more, there are a lot of ways you can make money with Amazon. I'm not going to go over them all. I personally, what I do for a living is I do affiliate marketing. You see they have affiliate program right here, but there's a lot of ways to make money with Amazon. If you'd like for me to go over all of the ways to make money with Amazon in one really big video, type in "I want to see it all" in the comments below. And if I get enough people doing that, or whatever, liking those comments or whatnot, I'll do a big video. But as you see, there's a lot of ways to make money with Amazon. Merch by Amazon is where they sell designs of your products. They sell designs as Amazon products, so you can reach millions of people around the world with no upfront cost to you. And they're actually downplaying this. You actually reach billions of people and you just create the design. Okay, and this is a great opportunity for those that are graphic designers. I'll be going over the pros and cons in just a little bit. So how it works is this. They kind of list it out. Step 1 is you upload your artwork. Step 2 is you set a price. So you say how much you want to sell the shirt for. Step 3 is Amazon sells it for you, and they print it and they ship it, and then you earn money. So Amazon sells it, they print it, they ship it, you earn the money. So really all you're doing is you're uploading artwork and you're setting a price. How easy is that, folks? All you have to do is find, I don't know, an interesting meme or an interesting cool band that doesn't have shirts or swag with them. Whatever it is, you just find something, you upload artwork, and then Amazon does the rest of the work for you. Easy. Okay, so now in order to get started with Merch by Amazon, currently you have to request an invitation. So to request an invitation, you just click right here. I suggest you all request invitations, okay? Because this is a huge opportunity and you can make a lot of money with it. And again, first mover advantage is a big deal. So if you're one of the first people in, you can make more money. So take advantage of this, right? Here is an example they're showing. Somebody uploaded an image of a narwhal, right? Here's a cute little narwhal, and Amazon will do it in different colors. They will, they'll do it men and women sizing. They do all the stuff for you. And in this case, the person is selling a narwhal t-shirt for $14. You just have to find an innovative image somewhere on the internet or have some innovative saying or quote, and they will do it all for you and you make the money. So it's really cool, and they have all sorts of stuff on there. Now, let me walk you through the process a little bit, right? So in order to set up an account, I don't believe they're accepting all countries. I would figure they wouldn't. But going through the sign up process, well, basically you'd click begin application. I already filled this out and I already got accepted. And then you need to fill out some information right here, okay? Now for the business name, I would just type in your own name if you don't have a business. And for business email address, just type in your own email address when they ask for it. But again, it helps if you have a business. You need to have a bank account. See, it's asking you if you have a bank account, okay? So you will need a bank account. And then there's some considerations to take in mind. You can't do pornographic content. You can't do stuff that has profanity on it. So they have all these terms and conditions that you can't use tragic stuff. You can't do violent stuff. You can't do Nazi stuff. There's certain guidelines you have to abide by in order to sell on Merch by Amazon. But once again, you can make a lot of money doing it. Let's look in my account. So here I am in my Merch by Amazon account. And as you see, I submitted a couple days ago and I got accepted. And you'll see this is what it looks like on the inside. So it gives you a few submissions. So when you start, it looks like I have 3 available submissions. I haven't published any products yet. And it says I'm tier 10. I don't really know what tier 10 means. It doesn't really show me a way to figure it out. But I'm sure if I looked in the resources, I could find some more information on that. Now, they're constantly fixing it still. They're updating it every other week, it looks like right now. So it's still very new, but in order to create something, it looks like we go to the create screen right here. So here's what it looks like. So you get to choose what sort of shirt or t-shirt you want to create. So there's standard t-shirts, v-neck t-shirts, tank tops, long sleeve, sweatshirts, hoodies, and zip hoodies. Now, it doesn't look like they have a gazillion options, and right now it's only available in English and German, but this is still enough. And if it's being sold on Amazon, all I care is that it's being sold on Amazon, because that means I can make some good money, because Amazon reaches billions of people. And then lastly, you see they have a nice little analyzation area where you can see how many people bought your products. Now, I'm gonna hop on this right away. I'm gonna upload some stuff for myself. Right now, it looks like it's showing up only in the American, the UK, and the German version of Amazon. I'm sure they'll be rolling out more countries as time marches forward, but this is new. I suggest you hop on it. By the time this video is released, there may even be more countries released. So I suggest request an invitation. and start earning some money with this. Now, if you found this video useful, or if you got some information out of this, type in "it was useful" or "I'm doing it" if you're actually doing it in the comments below. I'd love to know who's actually doing this. And if you'd like to learn some other stuff about Amazon, let me know. I could go deeper into print on demand, and I suggest it's a very fast growing industry that a lot of people are using because it's very similar to affiliate marketing in the fact that all you have to do is actually market the product. You don't have to ship it, fulfill it, produce it, any of that stuff. Now, once again, who this is great for is those who are interested in culture. If you're a good graphic designer, or if you like designing things, or if you like culture, or you like memes, then this would be a great thing for you because you can simply just start using Merch by Amazon, uploading some designs that people might like and see if they sell. And you submit more and see what sells. You just keep going like that and move up in your creator status. It's a great way to make money online. I know people making millions of dollars that literally just create t-shirt designs, and with the power of the internet, reach millions of people and sell millions of t-shirts all over the world. So check it out, go out there, make some money, subscribe, like this video, enable the notifications. If you want to see more ways to make money online, check out the links in the description to get my book, Work at Home Secrets. Okay, Work at Home Secrets is the book I put together. It's $1. And in this, you can learn all sorts of things, different ways. You can learn about, starting on chapter 5, I start showing you how I make money, which is called affiliate marketing, which I believe is the most lucrative work at home opportunity. But every step of the way, there are exercises, there are resources, and guides showing you how you can make anywhere up to $50 an hour. This is a step-by-step playbook for getting started in your home-based business. $1. Check it out. Link is in the description. Look forward to helping you out, start your own home-based business. I'm bringing on, when you get the book, you're also getting free 30-day subscription to learn from me and my millionaire friends. I bring on a new friend of mine every single week to show you how you can earn money online. Different business models, because I understand everybody's different. I'm a little weird, right? Some of my friends, their businesses might resonate more with you. So I look forward to helping you out. Talk to you soon.